Hey friends, on today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make the perfect Americano using this Cafe Affetto espresso machine. This thing is amazing and it's probably one of my favorite appliances in the kitchen right now. Let me show you just how easy it is. So the Cafe Affetto espresso machine is an all-in-one machine. You have multiple options that you can choose from. Again, today we're gonna be making an Americano. Basically, this machine grinds its own beans, fresh for each cup of coffee. Plus it has a water reservoir right here that allows you to be nice and ready for a cup of coffee anytime you need it. So our water reservoir is nice and filled up. We're just gonna stick that in the back right like that. We've chosen our coffee beans we're gonna use today and made sure the hopper is nice and filled. We can also set our grind strength over here and we are now ready to go. So let's go ahead and hit that power button. We can then make sure our cup is in place underneath the main espresso filter here. Again, this is nice and movable so you can get multiple sizes of cups underneath here. You can actually remove this drip tray if you'd like to get a larger mug underneath here, and we're ready to go. Now again, we have multiple settings to choose from. I'm gonna come over here and just push that Americano button. You can hear the machine firing up. That is the sound of the beans grinding that single cup worth, and then we're gonna get our espresso coming out of the main nozzle. Now for this Americano, we're first gonna get our single espresso shot, and then we're gonna get some additional hot water that's gonna come through the little filter here, and that's gonna fill it up to roughly 8 ounces. And there's our hot water going in just to supplement that single espresso shot. Okay, and we're finished. And as you can see, we have a really nice 8-ounce cup of coffee. Again, this is gonna be super delicious as is. If you'd like it a little stronger, we can come back up and we can hit that espresso button, and that'll give another single shot into the glass. Now, if for some reason this is too strong for you, we can actually supplement it with some additional hot water. We can take the mug and put it underneath the hot water nozzle and the frother, and then come over here and just push that hot water button a single time, and that'll give you some additional hot water, and that'll really dial things in and help you create the perfect cup of coffee for you. Now, cleaning the machine is actually really easy as well. We'll put our cup of coffee over to the side. We're gonna take off our little drip tray, and then we're gonna pull out this little sleeve right here. As you can see, a little puck is created from those single shot coffees, and that you can just dump directly into your trash can, place this back into the machine, close it, and you're ready to go with another cup of coffee. So there you go, friends. That may be the perfect Americano, at least for us. Super quick, super easy. Again, we love this machine. Stay tuned, we're actually making a ton more videos on this specific machine, as well as other products by Cafe and GE to help your kitchen appliance buying experience become just a little bit easier. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.